Hello everyone, and today my presentation is on cerebrospinal fluid influx and how it drives an acute ischemic tissue swelling, especially in strokes. So to start with on understanding exactly what's going on, a cerebral edema is a term used to explain swelling that occurs in the brain. It is also a severe and potentially fatal complication of a stroke. My article and the research behind it explains how during a stroke, the brain drowns in its own fluid. Research done on mice show for the first time how the lymphatic system, normally associated with waste removal, goes off during a stroke and floods the brain, triggering edema and drowning brain cells. The researchers believe that this new information explains the main role of the lymphatic system during a stroke and how it drives acute tissue swelling in the brain. They believe by understanding this dynamic, it could point to potentially better and new strategies to treat strokes during and after the onset of the actual stroke. And just a good understanding of the type of strokes we're talking about. And so the ischemic stroke, the most common stroke, is caused by a blocked brain vessel that starves part of the brain of nutrients and oxygen that then causes the surrounding cells to depolarize and discharge stored energy reserves in an attempt to survive. This mass depolarization of brain cells causes a large wave of electrical depolarization that spreads throughout the brain from the stroke area. During this spreading depolarization, large amounts of potassium is released by neurons in the brain. The potassium binds with the smooth muscle cells of the blood vessels, which are already contracted due to low blood pressure, and causes them to seize up and shrink. Cerebrospinal fluid and other fluids then flows into the ensuing vacuum, creating a larger expansion within the skull, as well as damaging the surrounding brain cells. So from the research, the researchers aim to focus on better treatments that would aim to establish blood and oxygen flow to the brain as quickly as possible after the onset of a stroke. Researchers also hope that their research could help treat other cases of cerebral hemorrhaging, such as concussions and other types of brain injuries. Thank you.